Welcome. Have you ever thought about how water from the soil reaches the top of a tree? Or how food made in leaves reaches the whole plant body? Answer to these questions lie in the transportation system of plants. Plants have a specialized system of tissues to transport essential substances from one part of their body to another. For this role, plants have xylem and phloem. Let us talk about xylem first. Xylem is a vascular tissue that carries water and minerals from roots to all parts of the plant. The movement of water through the xylem is called the ascent of sap. This movement is only in the upward direction, hence unidirectional. Xylem tissue is made up of 4 types of cells: tracheids, vessels, xylem parenchyma, and xylem fibers. Let us now see how water is transported through xylem. We know that roots absorb water and minerals from the soil through osmosis. This water builds a pressure in the roots, known as root pressure, which pushes the water upwards. But that is just one part. The real driving force is something called transpiration pull. When water evaporates from the surface of leaves through stomata, it creates a kind of vacuum. Water moves up in thin tubes of xylem due to this vacuum because of capillary action. Now that you have learned about xylem, let us know about phloem. Phloem is another vascular tissue that carries food from leaves to all the parts of the plant. The movement of food through the phloem is called translocation. This movement is in both upward and downward direction, hence bidirectional. Phloem tissue is made up of 4 types of cells: sieve tubes, companion cells, phloem parenchyma, and phloem fibers. Now let us see how food is transported through phloem. As you know, during photosynthesis, leaves produce glucose, which is food for the plant. This food needs to be translocated from where it is produced, that is source, to where it is needed, that is sink. This process requires energy in the form of ATP. Food gets loaded into the phloem using ATP, which increases the sugar concentration into it. As a result, water flows into the phloem through nearby xylem by osmosis, creating a pressure in phloem. This pressure pushes the sugary fluid from the phloem to the parts where it is required. This pressure difference between the source and sink helps the food to flow smoothly in all directions through the phloem, as required by the plant. Next time you see a plant soaking up the sun, just remember, it's doing more than just photosynthesis. It's pulling off a high-tech water show, silently and efficiently.